Did you know the phrase identity politics was invented by a group of black women in Boston in 1977, and most people have never heard their names? Barbara Smith and her colleagues in the Combahee River Collective were meeting during a terrifying moment. Black women were being murdered across Boston, and police were barely responding. So these women did something radical. They wrote it all down. They built a political framework that said race, gender, and class do not work separately. They work together, all at once, on the same body. They named their group after Harriet Tubman's 1863 Combahee River Raid, placing themselves inside a long line of black women who refused to wait. That document, published April 1977, gave the world the term identity politics. It also laid the exact groundwork that scholar Kimberlé Crenshaw would later name intersectionality. Nearly every modern debate about overlapping systems of oppression builds on what Barbara Smith helped write. The phrase came from Boston. It came from black women. Now you know their story.